Hi, I'm Dr. Tabor Smith, and if I could give you one piece of advice, it would be this. You only get one spine. Take care of it. I have so many people that come in my office and they've neglected their spine for years. What happens is the spine will eventually shift out of alignment, it will get stuck or not move properly, the muscles around it will get distorted or weak, and it will begin to break down and degenerate. And then you come into my office and I have to work with what you have because of the fact you only get one spine. A dentist, if you have degeneration in your teeth or tooth decay, a dentist can put absolutely new teeth in your mouth. They're called veneers or dentures. But in chiropractic, we have to, again, work with what you have. So how do you take care of your spine and nervous system? Well, number one, you should see a chiropractor. Get an exam and have your spine checked for subluxation. Number two is you should be doing daily home exercises every day to improve alignment, range of motion, and strength of your spine. Look, if your teeth are important enough to take care of, if they're important enough for you to do something every day for, like brush your teeth and floss, then your spine is much more important than that and definitely important enough to take care of. So see a chiropractor. I would love to have you come to our office, give us a call, visit our website, and we can get you in. Then once you get your spine and nervous system checked, you'll be able to take care of it for a lifetime. Thanks for watching my videos, and I'll see you on the next one.